Duster. Alright team, last example that I want you to copy for today. So I've shown you method 1, method 2. Now how do you do this problem over here? So it's designed in the junior levels. Listening? Setting forward 2, thank you. Here we go. When you have these brackets, they do want to train you to expand the brackets because that was the skill you learnt in chapter 5. So in this example here, the only way to solve it in a way that's easiest is to expand. See, the 4 in the bracket is times. We would need to expand 4 groups of 2x and 4 groups of 5. We need to remove those brackets first. Okay, so let's do that. Let's write it down. So I want you to copy this example down because it's not easy. Here we go. 4 groups of 2x minus 4 groups of 5 plus the 3x equals to 57. So I'm expanding it. This is me expanding it. So 4 groups of 2x, 4 groups of 5. Thank you. So two things to do, yeah? What were they again? Thank you. So you do know it. Thank you, Tim. Actively note-taking or actively listening. All right, here we go. So let's expand the brackets. We've got 4 groups of 2x. What is 4 groups of 2x equivalent to? 8x. Very good. So we can simplify this to 8x. 4 times the 2 is 8. 8 times the x is just 8x. What about 4 groups of 5? What's 4 groups of 5? 20. Very good, Rihanna. So minus 20 plus the 3x is equal to 57. This is why in chapter 5, thank you. Thank you, boys. Thank you. The reason why I'm stopping this quite a bit is because I know this is a harder problem, so I do want you to focus. Okay, so some of the other ones you might have found easier, great for you, but at this point I do want you to listen, or at least copy the notes down. Okay, here we go. So we've got 8x minus 4 times 5 is 20, and then we still have the 3x. Remember in chapter 5, you only worked with these types of problems here. Now we're combining it with chapter 7, and you're going to try to solve it. So here we go. Let's combine. What can I simplify on this left-hand side? What can I add and subtract? What are my like terms? 3x. We've got the 3x and 8x. They're both x's. So let's work it out. 8x plus 3x gives you 11x. So I can say together I've got 11x, but I can't minus this 20 because it's not a 20x. It's just a constant term. Now you're back to this step again. 11x minus 20 equals to 57. Why don't we have a sound off? Okay. You'll need some earphones for next time.
Where's the 3x?
The 3x, the 8x, and the 3x add together gives you 11x in total. All right, so now from here, our goal is to find x. What can I remove first? Or what should I remove first? What am I removing first? Minus 20. Remember, Sam Dobb, any addition or subtraction, I want you to remove that first. So minus 20, opposite of minus 20? What's the opposite of minus 20?
Plus 20.
Plus 20. So I'm adding 20 on both sides. Negative 20 plus 20 cancels out to be 0. I'm left with 11x is equal to 57 plus